Hello everyone, this is the second part of the video tutorial how to crochet lace top. In this video, I'll show you how to add more repeats and finish up the blouse. Complete details about the project are available at interunion.com/crochet-lace-top. On this webpage you may share pictures of your work and ask questions if any. In the first part of the video tutorial, I showed how to crochet the 6-round pattern. Now I'll show you how to add more repeats to work sleeves. Crochet the 6-round pattern to your underarms, then add more repeats. Begin the following round as usual. Single crochet 5. Then work one more single crochet into the arch of 3 chains. After that, chain 31 or multiples of 11 chains plus 9 additional chains. Again, chain 31 and then work single crochet 1 into the following arch of 3 chains. Now chain 3, single crochet 1 under the same arch of 3 chains. Chain 3 and then continue half of your round as usual. Single crochet 2, decrease, single crochet 5 and so on. After you crochet 5 repeats, repeat the pattern starting from single crochet 1 into the arch of 3 chains. Then again make 31 chains and work 5 more repeats. Single crochet 1, (31 chains and so on. After 31 chains, work single crochet 1 into the following arch of 3 chains. And then again chain 3, single crochet 1 under the same arch of 3 chains, chain 3, single crochet 2 and so on. At the end of the round, when you have just 2 chains left, work the decrease. And then continue crocheting the pattern, working more repeats. After single crochet 4, chain 3. Then single crochet 3. And again chain 3, single crochet 1 and decrease. Then repeat the pattern starting from single crochet 4. After last single crochet 4, chain 3, then work single crochet 1 into the arch of 3 chains and continue the pattern regular way. Crochet around second sleeve totally the same as around the first one, and then continue crocheting the pattern regular way. Single crochet 3 and so on. At the end of the round, work last single crochet decrease and then crochet round, working more repeats. After you repeat the 6th round pattern one time, work rounds using a smaller size crochet hook. After the pattern, work single crochet rounds. After last single crochet decrease, work single crochet 1 under the arch of 3 chains, then single crochet 5, and again work single crochet 1 under the arch of 3 chains. Now repeat the pattern from single crochet 1 under the arch of 3 chains, single crochet 5 and so on. At the end of the round, after last single crochet 5, work again single crochet 1 under the arch of 3 chains, and then skip 2 chains and work single crochets. Single crochet around all your edges. After that, the top is ready, and thank you for watching.